Hey, and welcome to Kit Life. So today is the 19th of December, and you know what that means? It means that we only have 6 days left of Christmas, and I'm still wearing this sunglasses. In today's video, I'm going to be opening up 3 Blizzard Cube Deadly Series 2 figures. Wow! Oh my god, I'm so super excited for this opening because I love the Blizzard Cube Deadly Series 2. I just really like them because I just never disappoint at how the detail the figure are. So let's start because today I'm treating myself with 3. Wow, this one's so big. It might actually be one of the goblins because I feel like I can feel the bag, the pouches. See what we got. Oh, we got Farah! Okay, next. Okay, I'm so excited. I really like Farah. That's so awesome. Let's see what we got this one. Oh, it's so, all the bags are so heavy. I really like it. I really think it's really worth the money. You should like get one because it really is worth money. What's this? Oh, is it from the Diablo series? Last one. Let's see what we got. Okay, this is not as heavy. It could be another tracer. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's soldiers, something number, soldier 76, that is cool. Well, that's the end of today's video. I have a really tough time to picking a favorite today because I really like all the figures that I opened today. Alright, okay. I'm gonna pick Farah because she's really cool. She's like, the wing at the back is like really awesome. It looks like she's about to take off and like kill people. So yeah. So thanks for watching today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more videos like this. And see you tomorrow.